If you don't like chaos but still want success, then master educational planning. Educational planning and management sounds fancy, right? But really, it's the secret sauce to running effective schools. Here's why it matters. First up, goal setting. Clear, measurable objectives guide everyone from teachers to students towards shared goals. Then there's strategic development. Smart strategies help tackle challenges and seize new opportunities, boosting educational quality. Next, resource allocation. Efficient use of time, money, and talent means more bang for your buck, all aimed at your school's goals. Organizing activities is key. It covers everything from curriculum design to staff training, making sure all gears mesh smoothly. Don't forget monitoring and evaluation. Constantly checking progress and making tweaks keeps your school on track and adaptable. Lastly, think about sustainability and growth. Planning for the future keeps your institution relevant and ready for tomorrow's challenges. So, what's the takeaway? Invest in educational planning and management to create organized, efficient and high-achieving schools. It's your roadmap to success.